Today we're making the ultimate strawberry daiquiri. Hi guys!
Hey!
Today we're going to be making a strawberry daiquiri. So we're going to start out with some ice in the blender.
First thing we're going to want to put in, we got 6 cups of ice. And then we're going to do 1 cup of frozen strawberries. About a cup frozen strawberries.
I'll add a cup of simple syrup.
Oh my god.
We made this
Like, look at this.
at our home.
Simple syrup is just water and sugar equal parts boiled until it becomes like a syrup. So it's for sweetness in the drink.
And then we're going to add in some lemon and lime.
This is going to give it that citrus that you need in the daiquiri.
Then next, I'm going to add the rum. We got a Malibu rum. I could not find the Captain Morgan's at the, well, they did have Captain Morgan's, but they didn't have the big bottle.
Malibu coconut is going to give it more of that Caribbean coconutty taste, so it'll probably be pretty good in here.
Yeah.
Give it a little bit of carbonation, a little lemon soda. We're using Sprite on this one, so we're doing about ½ cup of that.
All right.
And it's ready.
Are we ready? We're
Yep.
ready to blend. The moment of truth. Let's see. I'm going to put it on. I think it's done now.
All right. Look at that. It looks like a strawberry
It
daiquiri.
looks really good. Just put it in the cup.
Nice.
And then,
Then I'll do this one, and then you do that one.
Alright.
Show them what you got there.
so I got some strawberries. We're gonna garnish with some strawberries. They're the sweetest batch of strawberries.
Big ones. So I'm gonna get some, pull some Dairy Queen action again here, and top her off. Let's shake that thing.
Shake it. Alright, and I'm just gonna cut the strawberry and put a garnish in there.
Oh my. Then we're gonna throw in a cup of straws. Now check that out. Did you get a view of that one? Oh yeah. All right, you ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. It's
Very good.
fresh. That's better than any strawberry daiquiri I've ever had.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Very good. You gotta try this.
Yeah, and this
This is why we drink.
is why we drink besides the kids.